What's the meaning of breakfast? Breakfast. Breakfast.
Breakfast. Breakfast. Breakfast is a meal typically eaten in the morning to break the overnight fast and provide energy for the day ahead. It is often considered the most important meal of the day as it can help boost metabolism, improve cognitive function, and prevent overeating later in the day. Common breakfast foods include eggs, cereal, toast, fruit, and yogurt. Skipping breakfast can lead to feelings of fatigue, decreased mental alertness, and even weight gain. In summary, breakfast is an important meal that provides essential nutrients and energy to start the day off right.